Yo. What is up again, guys? JAMAICA'S came out with another reaction. Yeah, guys, and we're here again with another one. Like I promised, we're here again with another one. Stardom and Rimzee. The song is called Blue. B-L-E-B-L-W. Blue. I blow, I blew. I don't blow, I blew. Whatever, blue. Yeah. So we're not gonna waste no time. We're gonna just jump straight into this and see what goes on. So let's go. Yeah, see it there? Stormzy, Rimzee, don't know.
What the hell did you just say?
No, not Stormzy. What am I talking about? Stormzy, Stardom and Rimzee. Fucking idiot, yo. No sense. I was. Stop it. Yeah, idiot. I don't Stormzy. Stardom, you fucking idiot. Anyway, let's jump in it. Put on my social. Boop. Let's go. Social is on, and let's jump in it straight. Let's go. Whoa. Dope boys. Dope boy records. Big up on yourself. One thing though. Can I rent one of those rollers that you guys have in the video? Can I just rent one of them for like 2 days and say, yo, I'm balling. Can I rent a rollie? Can I? Cause me not watch it now. I'm gonna watch me have is a little G-Shock. Like couple G-Shock me have. Me not have no watch, so me just want to rent a rollie. Is that okay? Alright, let's go. Watch there! Even before it drops, you know it's gonna be a Mothers, right? You know it's gonna be a Mothers. I don't know. This is my first time listening to this song. I don't listen to the song before I react. I just react. I just break down and react. Rimzee, big up yourself.
It's fastball, baby.
10 toes down in my B22s.
I like the vibe. 10 toes down in my B22. Stardom by the first man American when you track them. Big up yourself. Let's go.
ST hit the T and he blew. Pack came in, disappeared like the moose. Yeah, I'm at the mud, yeah, I'm really the truth.
The floor. Alright, we're not gonna say not anything yet. Let's go.
10 toes down in his Christian's yard. They know me by my real name in the store. Pins and fiends made a killing off a raw.
You hear that? The man spends so much at the store. Them know him by him real name. You know, so anytime he walk in at the store, listen, store shut down. This is Stardom time. Stardom, you're here again, sir. What can I offer you? Here is some champagne, champagne glass. Oh, let's go. You want champagne? You want whatever you want. You want caviar? You want anything you want? Is there? You spend so much money with us. We appreciate you. Let's shut this door. Lady, leave this door. Let's shut this door. Guy, leave this door. Let's shut this door for this guy now. Yeah, I saw at the treatment that he's getting. As the treatment that he's getting in the store, guys.
What's he so good, that guy hero?
What? What am I saying?
Pins and fiends made a killing off a raw. What's he so good, that guy hero? My young boy a top striker, Ibrahimovic.
My young boy's a top striker, Ibrahimovic. Yo, top striker, that's for true. Look on the man watch.
Kept it in the sock, you would have thought he had a feet fetish. And the magic had to stretch you like a limousine.
You hear the man say what I got? The man say him kept it in the sock. Like it have a foot fetish. The man kept the thing in the sock. It's a foot fetish. Yo, that's sick, bro. That's sick, bro.
Star bar soul China white before libertine. Boris Johnson in a bowl like to whip it like Trent.
Boris Johnson in the bowl like to rip it like Trent. Boris Johnson, the white. Boris Johnson white. The white, not the bowl. You know, whatever it is, not the bowl, we are whip it up. Yo, bro. Big up yourself, bro. Your workplace is different, bro.
We used to have to struggle for the rent. Try put my nigga run, but you failed. I had a Zen and try run a quarterback like NFL.
Me get that, but me register it and off you break it down. Me get what I'm saying, but I'm registering it. Let's go again.
Try put my nigga run, but you failed. I had a Zen and try run a quarterback like NFL.
Oh, so I pussy you take my far. Okay, so basically this, so him say him try sort out what I'm friend. Him give him a Z, which is an ounce. Him give him a Z, and him try run a quarterback like a NFL quarterback. Yeah, him try run Q back. Hey boy, what you do? Eh? What the next 3 quarter there? Eh? What the next 3 quarter there? Hey boy, how you dealing? Don't ramp it now. Don't ramp. Don't bite the hands that feed you. Look at my hands. What if I bite marks upon it? What heap? Cause them bite me at the... Let's go.
Try put my nigga run, but he failed. I had a Z and try run a quarterback like NFL. Fresh B22s in his motor.
Yeah, look, these rappers, bro. Big up the rappers, then, brother. Them I put in the work, that.
Spike carbon soda, got these watches on the rotor. Fly 'em like Sosa, now everything kosher. All this ice probably give me pneumonia.
Oh, my chest. My chest. Yo, the man said, all I'm ice for him, I go give him pneumonia, brother. Imagine. Yo, he's using some similes and some metaphors that I never hear nobody say yet. The man say, yo, him have the thing in this sack like a foot fit. Yo, they're not... Jesus Christ, man.
Out the mud, just keep thinking I'm a rapper. He's got 19, tackle like Wan-Bissaka, writing boxing like Belly you, costing about my revenue.
Hey, you hear the man got 19 tackle you? Eh? You hear the man attack? You hear the man got 19 punch you like bombat? The Glock 19 lick every cylinder. Me know the Glock 19, you know. Them lick every inner, brother. I'm not joking, dog. I'm not joking, you know.
Any violations, gunpowder on my 22s. 10 toes down in my B22s. Young ST hit the T and he blew.
I'm waiting for Rimzee verse now. Stardom went hard. I'm waiting for Rimzee verse.
Pack came in, disappeared like the moose. Yeah, I'm at the mud, yeah, I'm really the truth. 10 toes down in his Christian's yours.
Fuck yeah, dog. Yo, brother. That song, yeah, fire, dog. No joke, brother. It's simple, but it's effective. It knock you.
They know me by my real name in the store. Pins and fiends made a killing off raw. Pussy so good that I got hero.
Okay. Here comes Rimzee now. Here comes Rimzee now. Let's go.
RIMs, you know I walk it like I talk. Christian Dior's new rollie, I was bored.
Alright, you know what? I walk it like I talk. So Rims, you know, I say Rims. I walk it like I talk. Man, I tell you, say, Christian Dior and him watch basically him bite because him bored.
RIMs, you know I walk it like I talk. Christian Dior's new rollie, I was bored.
Yeah. Christian Dior and new rollie. I'm bored. I'm bored, man. Let's go do some shopping. I'm bored. Yo, big up myself, Rimzee. Also, I follow you up on Instagram. I'm see you get your first house and you do it up, brother. Big up yourself. Big move that me G. Big move. Me rate that move that my fam. You see me?
B22s in his G63. Chick from overseas and a quid for the jeans.
Chick from overseas and a quid for the jeans. Yo, Rims, man.
4 rollies, that's me and the bae. Got 2 rollies and my chick got the same. Just copped the crib, can't wait to meet my tenants.
Me just tell you about him house. When buy. Man say him just buy the crib, him can't wait to meet him tenants. He's a landlord now. He's not paying him not paying a rent. Big up other landlord them here, but no, it's not your time. I am a landlord now myself, so I'm waiting to meet my tenants. And I'm not gonna treat my tenants as how you treat me when you was a landlord. Move, dirty landlord. Let's go.
Chat boy, all I know is how to get. Hella burners never catch me nervous. Bathing in petrol, this bath ain't Turkish.
You know what it is also, guys? I was watching this documentary about Rimzee. Cause after the first song I did with Rimzee and him shared the reaction video on him Instagram, I think it was. I said to myself, say, yo, I got them research on this youth, yeah. The man a ride, him friend them a ride. And the police them pull up, the man goes a wheel off and bust a shop and the police them know yourself, pachang! And ride off gone. Yo, whatever he's singing, him live it, him know what I'm talking about. So don't size up young rappers, don't size up with Rimzee, yeah?
The times that I step, I trust in my God, no trust in my friends. Them up boys runners like my trainers. Pull it on the news, I made the other side famous.
You hear that? Man say I'm trusting I'm gone, him not trusting on a friend. The man say, yo, he make the other side famous, he make the upside famous because him ever go over there go wet them up. him a go over to go wet them up. So them half famous because them a go make the headline news. You see me? Such and such corner was shut up by unknown assailant. Yeah, that corner is in the news again. Them famous for all the wrong reasons, not the right reasons. Whoa.
Cause I'm a different kind of G. 2 glides in a day, 3 glides in a week.
I'm a different kind of G. 2 glides in a day, 3 glides in a week. What's a glide? What's a glide? Is that flight? But what's a glide? Can somebody explain to me what a glide is, please?
Down in my B22s. Young ST hit the T and he blew. Pat came in, disappeared like the moose. Yeah, I'm at the mud, yeah, I'm really the truth.
Them two you have a connection. And the collab is sick. The collab is sick. I like the collab, yeah. Them and them a go in, brother. Them a go in.
10 toes down in his Christian's yard. They know me by my real name in the store. Pins and fiends made a killing off raw. Was he so good that guy hero?
Him yesterday Pop Smoke dance a while ago. But when I tell a while ago, our pussy so good because every time the part they come in, me see the girl back on the video. Pussy so good, something. Okay. Yo, me just want to say, yo, Rimzee, you're up on my screen right now, and you probably watch this, my friend. Big up yourself, brother. You turn your life around. Big up yourself, my G. You turn your life around. Now you are a public figure in the street. I'm sure no say you're not going to jail again. Oh no, brother. You see me? Big up your damn self, dog. I'm understand say you're Jamaican too. So yeah, my fam. Big up yourself, bro. Respect. Omnipotent. Is that a word? Your respect is omnipotent. Magnificent. Your respect is omnipotent. Stardom, big up yourself. Rimzee, big up yourself. Bad song. Show these upcoming soca rapper how to do it, brother. The flow, bad. The beat, bad. Your wordplay, bad. You see me? The video, clean like Jesus Police record. Clean. You see me? Yeah, guys. Big up on yourself, dog. Me like the bar where Stardom say, everything at the socks. You other thing say, him have a foot fetish. You see me? I like the bar there. That bar there to me stick out to me the most in that song. Yeah. Guys, tell me what is your favorite bar in the song. Also, guys, big up the young artists. Them, we are reach out to me. The response has been crazy. So I will be doing a lot of young artists, upcoming artists videos starting very, very, very soon. So big up on yourself, guys, for reaching out, and I appreciate every single one out there. You see me? So, guys, until the next one, be safe. If you can't be good, be lucky. If you're not good for say, don't say nothing. Shh, bye.